The market did a great job shaking off the price action to close out the first half of 2018, paying more attention to the overall message since the start of the year. On Friday, we saw a resurgence in broad-based US dollar selling after the buck had performed well since January up against all of the developed currencies with the exception of the yen. On Monday, the market acted as though Friday hadn't even happened, with the US dollar bid right back up and back towards and even through some of its recent 2018 highs. Aussie and Kiwi were hit the hardest, with both of these currencies dropping to their lowest levels in about 17 months and 25 months, respectively. But other than what might have been position adjustments to play into dollar long exposure on the back of the results in the first half of the year, there wasn't really anything out there to assign as a specific Monday catalyst for the quick buyback of the buck. U.S. manufacturing data was stronger on the headline print, though the components were softer and somewhat offsetting. Meanwhile, it wasn't UK manufacturing PMIs that were hurting the pound on Monday after that data series came in above forecast with an upward revision. German manufacturing PMIs were as expected, while Eurozone manufacturing PMIs were only a tad softer and certainly not enough to account for euro weakness. Overall, it's mostly about the global trade outlook and FX at the moment, and how things play out on this front will likely influence the direction currencies take in the second half of the year. If the U.S. administration is successful in its protectionist campaign, this will likely invite renewed U.S. dollar weakness, while inability to impose its will open the door to a bigger dollar run, with the buck now benefiting from both its positive carry and flight to safety lure, a unique position to be in. Looking ahead, key standouts on Tuesday's calendar come in the form of an RBA decision, China inflation readings, Eurozone retail sales and producer prices, and the New Zealand GDT auction. As a reminder, with the U.S. Independence Day holiday coming out in the middle of the week, desks are already lighter in North America on account of the holiday, which could make for a different kind of feel in markets over the coming days. Definitely something to be aware of. That's all for now.